Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the sides of the boat. I'm going to be painting the bottom of the boat, but the sides, instead of paint, I thought I'd just try something a little more challenging, just something for myself that I'm not sure I can do, but we're going to try it. Is put more of a thanks guys. Put more of a mirror finish on the outside of this boat. You saw previously in a previous video that I was using a wire wheel and some paint stripper to take off the old paint. But now we're going to be taking that's really rough with that wire wheel, and so we're going to be sanding that down and really polishing up the sides of this. We're going to be doing it over several days just because I don't have a lot of time in the end of the day after work. So I'm going to get you zoomed in on this and kind of show you the next steps of preparing the sides here. So let's get going. Let's get looking at that a little closer. And now I'm going to do 600 again so it can kind of cover it, kind of smooth it out a little bit better. That rooster will not stop. So then I'm going to be doing around these rivets again just by hand, which is going to be tedious. But it's just, I just really don't want to file these rivets down flat. So we're going to get started doing that. This guy, he cannot, he shuts up all day except for when I come out here to film at the end of the day. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the 600 grit. And I'll just bring you along when I'm done with that because, who wants to see me sanding? Okay, dude, fine. Jeez. So here you see that the sandpaper has got the sides of the boat pretty polished up as best it can. And you can see the difference there with the bottom of the boat's pretty dull still. So after this sandpaper, I get some aluminum polishing wheels that I got from Renegade for their starter kit. And attach it to my polisher and use this rake to kind of fray the ends of the wheel first, so you get that kind of frayed out so it'll accept this polishing compound that you put on it. And then after you put that compound on it, you just start applying it to the boat, and it takes a little bit of force and some some steadiness to get control of the thing, but it comes together pretty well, so I get kind of used to it as I go along. But every 3-5 passes or so, you got to stop and reapply that compound. It kind of gets rubbed off of the wheel, so you just reapply and keep going down the line. So this second wheel does a pretty good job of getting it all polished out and looks like a mirror pretty much, but it does leave a lot of this residue on the boat itself, and I was able to use a towel to kind of wipe it off. So what I'm going to do is get a different like buffing wheel or something and try to kind of rub that off to try to make that, you know, less streaky of a finish. It does have a lot of imperfections still in the boat, you know, because it's, you know, 60 plus years old, so it has a lot of scratches still, some deep gouges in it, and some areas that I wasn't able to sand and polish off. I don't know if I just didn't do it long enough or not, but you know, I was able to get most of it pretty mirror finish, and so it's going to look pretty good, I think, once I get that aluminum, you know, dust and other compound residue off of the boat. All right, guys, well, thanks for sticking around for this video. So in this one, it took quite a long time to make, actually, but we were able to get the boat sanded with the 2 different grits of sandpaper. I was able to use the aluminum polisher and polishing wheels for the first time ever. So I got those 2 wheels, and I did kind of like the first cut and then the second cut. And I need to kind of wipe off that kind of the aluminum residue. You know, it kind of gets everywhere. It's all over my hands and face and everything, but it kind of just sticks to the boat. So I'm gonna get another type of wheel and just to like wipe it off. Basically, I could use it with a towel, but that was taking quite a while. So I'm gonna try to get another wheel to just wipe off that residue. And then it should be looking pretty good. So again, if you saw me doing this and it was something I was doing completely wrong, let me know. Please comment below, because I'm wanting to do the other side of the boat here this coming week, and I'm gonna get this done so I can get the bottom painted and flip the boat back over. So anyway, so if you would just comment down below with anything you saw that I wasn't doing correctly, that I could do better. But again, thanks for sticking around for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.